how to sign in into Stripe dashboard on the website. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In order to do so, you can just go and follow out these steps. So make sure to watch this video till the end for that. We can head over to a browser for that and basically go to Stripe dashboard. So go to stripe.com and hit enter, and that should open up the site right here, and you'll be seeing the sign in button in the top right corner. Click on it on the page. After that, we will be provided with a space where we can enter our email address and our password. So we just need to enter up our login details here. This is how we basically sign in. So enter up your email address here and then your password right below it. Once you've done that, click on sign in and hit wait for to sign in. And there we go. You will be reaching the Stripe dashboard where you can manage your payments, customers, payouts, settings, etc. And Stripe may ask for a verification while you are trying to sign in, such as two-factor authentication from your phone or email verification. You can complete those and you will be directly logged in into Stripe.com. And that's it. That is how you basically do it. So we hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.